Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two top-notch dash cams. On the left, we have the Vantrue N4 3-channel 4K dash cam, and on the right, the REDTIGER dash cam. Get ready for some serious camera action. Alright, let's dive right into the first category, video quality. Both cameras boast 4K resolution, but who comes out on top? Well, the Vantrue N4 takes it up a notch with its triple-channel setup. It captures the front, inside, and rear of your vehicle simultaneously, giving you the ultimate peace of mind. Plus, it even offers 1440p plus 1440p resolution for the front and inside cameras. Talk about high definition. Now let's shed some light on the next category, night vision. The Vantrue N4 takes the crown here with its infrared night vision feature. It has 4 IR LED lights that can capture crystal clear footage of the driver and passengers, even in complete darkness. Perfect for those late-night rideshare adventures. Alright, let's shift gears to the next category, parking mode. The Vantrue N4 offers a 24-hour parking mode that continuously records, ensuring you have evidence in case of any unexpected events. Plus, it has a motion detection feature that automatically starts recording when triggered. Talk about being a reliable witness. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite category, price. The Vantrue N4 comes in at $289, but trust me, it's worth every penny. With its exceptional features and triple-channel setup, it's like getting 3 dash cams in one. It's the ultimate bang for your buck. The Vantrue N4 and the REDTIGER dash cams have their own strengths and unique features. It ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and needs. Remember, folks, always do your research for making a purchase. And that's where we come in. Subscribe to Buy Smart for more epic comparisons and helpful tips. Stay smart, stay savvy, and we'll see you next time.